JD Camp 26 here. Just do tips and tips and hobbies. And I want to show you these. You know what these are? These are for winter. Okay? These are rubber slip-on ice cleats. And I highly recommend them for winter for your shoes. I'm going to put the link of these down in the comments below and in the description. And how these go on is you buy them in your size, because they come in sizes, and you slip them on. Start with the tips first, like this, and then you pull them back over the backs. Like this. Not exactly perfect, but pull them up to the sides like that. Straighten the backs out. I got one over the top and one over the bottom here. So this one goes up like this. They're not something you quickly change into. You have them on your shoes, you know, right away. And I got this one twisted too. So, let's see. Ow. Like this. It's got a trapezoid in it. Okay, there we go. So like that. I don't know if you can see that. See the bottoms? They're cleated. Those are metal cleats, okay? Let's dig into the ice and the snow, and you won't fall down. Believe me. The other thing I want to tell you about these is don't walk on tile or marble or those type of surfaces with these on. You'll slide and go flying. Okay, you can walk on rug, wood, you know, outside, anywhere, but not tile or marble. Okay? But those will really save you know, when you're walking in the snow and ice. I mean, they bite right into the ice like you wouldn't believe. And I want to show you those because, you know, winter's coming up now. And, you know, you got to prepare for it. You can use them even snow blowing too. I use them snow blowing. So that's your tip for today, and I hope it helps you. Any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below, and you have a good day. Thanks.